is the tutorial how to make maestro. First, let's start with the body.
Details sa address na
This body
binigay.
is a little.
Ngayon, ipa-request mo na lang na
We
i-pick
need
up
two
na lang
wheels.
yung item dun sa mismong malapit na
color
branch
of
ng LBC.
these
Pero
two?
dapat siya yung
Right,
yung shipper siya yung
two
sabi na
yellows
dun na lang
and one
i-drop.
red.
Kumbaga magiging
So, and then you get another red
magiging
and
pick up na lang yung mangyayari
Oh,
sa
the one
LBC na malapit sa atin.
This is like the toilet of it. So,
Tapos,
you
ano
just
yun?
cut this into the other
Tapos
side.
anong tawag
and
doon?
there you go. You got your one to the
Within
arm.
10 days lang din
This
daw, baka
one's really easy.
bumalik lang din daw
Just
yun
grab a
sa
yellow,
amin.
put it here. I accidentally broke it, so it's not a big deal. But you're supposed to do that. And
Oh,
you
ngayon,
got
ayun
that.
nga yung gawin mo. Ang kontakin mo dyan, lab. Ang kontakin mo dyan, lab.
If you Well, if you have the body like this,
yung shipper, yung
you
nag-ship
just
sa
have
atin.
to,
Yung kausap mo,
connect
yun yung
it
ano mo, i-kontakin mo.
right
Kasi
here.
ano ka mo, pinuntahan mo
Because
ka mo
we're
sa
done with it.
LBC. Kailangan
There we
daw
go.
ganun
Let's move on
gagawin.
to the
Siya yung
other one.
mag-email o siya rin yung
But
kumontak dun sa mga
since
ano,
the
para i-redeliver.
other one is basically the same as this.
Saka
This is the same thing, so I'm gonna show you.
tatlong beses na yun,
And this is
i-attempt
how
na raw
you
yun.
make this thing right here. So this is how you make it. Let me just put you somewhere again, like up here.
I-ano mo na, kontakin mo lab yung ano.
And here you go. I'm serious, you have two wheels. Make another one of those astrolabes. Except, don't put
I-check
like the
mo na
blue
yung
here.
chat.
I make this with this, this,
Kaya ang
and
kamo
this.
siya, siya yung pumunta sa
And then
LBC
just
kung
put
gusto
it
niya.
in the
Pero ang gawin mo na lang din daw, option daw.
And you got
Sila yung
And?
ano, sila,
the trainer. You didn't know. And this is his controller. And he's actually the trainer.
Ay,
And
ano kayo?
then this is his control. He controls this.
Sige mamaya na.
So, if you want me to make a juggernaut,
Okay?
just go in the comments and on. This thing actually can glow. Let me just turn on the
Gatos
phone.
niya doon, ulagay mo. Yung may kalat to, baka makita ni Dende niya, kakalat ni Dende niya.
No, so I can, right now you are on the. I put the camera on the trainer, but it's falling like up. But it's perfect for self-moving. Just go like this, and that's all. And you can make it like this. So bye.
Sige, doon ka na mag-play ka na.
Peace.